In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail attachments to a USB flash drive. Whether you're securing important documents or simply want to free up some space in your inbox, this guide will help you transfer files from your Gmail directly to a USB device with ease. First, make sure your USB flash drive is plugged into your computer. You'll need it available as a destination for saving your files. Wait for the computer to recognize the USB drive, which usually shows up as a notification or an icon in the File Explorer or Finder window, depending on your operating system. Once your USB drive is properly connected, you're ready to start. Next, open a web browser and navigate to your Gmail account by visiting gmail.com. Log in with your credentials. Once you're inside your inbox, find the email containing the attachment you wish to save. If your inbox is particularly full, you might want to use the search bar at the top to narrow it down by typing keywords related to the email or the sender's address. After locating the email, open it. Here, you'll see any attachments indicated near the top of your message. Click on the attachment you'd like to save. You'll notice icons for downloading the attachment. Choose the download icon. It looks like an arrow pointing downward or a cloud, depending on your browser. Your attachment will then begin to download. Depending on your settings, the file might be saved directly to your default Downloads folder. So let's navigate there once the download is complete. For most users, you can access this folder through the File Explorer or Finder. Just look for a folder labeled Downloads. Now, with your downloaded file located, perform a copy and paste or drag and drop to move this file to your USB drive. Open the USB drive through your File Explorer or Finder. It should be represented as a separate device or a new drive. Once you have both your Downloads folder and USB drive windows open, click and hold the file you want to move, then drag it over to the USB drive window and release it. Alternatively, you can right-click on the file and select Copy, then navigate to the USB drive window, right-click inside it, and choose Paste. Once the file transfer is complete, safely eject the USB drive to avoid any data corruption. You typically do this by right-clicking on the drive in your File Explorer or Finder, and selecting Eject. A notification or icon on your screen should confirm the USB drive can be safely removed from your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Gmail attachment to your USB flash drive, keeping your important data secure and portable. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.